Ever thought of doing this with pastry dough? In a pan with hot oil, we'll add a piece of dough. Let it fry until golden brown on both sides. When it's like this, flip it to brown the other side. Remove and drain on paper towels. Fry as many as you like. In an oiled mold, place our fried pastry dough. Add a bit of tomato sauce. Spread it evenly. With sauce spread, we'll need some mozzarella cheese. Use as much as you like. The flavor can vary, you can try different toppings. With cheese added, let's add some tomato slices, olives, a bit of pepperoni. You could use chicken, bacon, or whatever you prefer. Then sprinkle some oregano on top. Now bake at 200 degrees Celsius until the cheese melts completely. Once melted, it's ready to serve. Take a look, folks. Isn't it amazing? Delicious, quick, easy, and very practical. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Take care and see you next time.